Hello viewers and my subscribers, it is a happy new year, and one thing I forgot to do, guys, is wishing the viewers and subscribers a Merry Christmas and a prosperous new year. Imagine I went on vacation and I forgot to carry with me all the facilities that could help me transmit and convey my best wishes to you guys. But the festivity ends officially on 6th January, on Monday. That is on Monday, don't forget about that. And I hope you are still on the festive mood, and I think my best wishes to you guys are not misplaced. I wish you a happy new year full of prosperity and this is from Morris Dimba and the family. And enjoy the message I've just implanted or placed inside this clip as you listen to this nice music on this clip. Don't forget to subscribe once again if you're new subscribers or you're a new viewer, and just in a minute we are uploading a new tutorial. A happy new year and a prosperous new year.